new bull is preparing to enter the ring. Lamborghini, the master of drama and performance, is about to unleash its next creation. And now, we might just know its name. Lamborghini has just filed a new trademark with the European Union Intellectual Property Office. The name? Temerario. So, what does Temerario mean? In Spanish and Italian, it translates to reckless, daring, or brave. A perfect fit for a brand that builds some of the most outrageous supercars on the planet. This isn't a name for a calm, quiet car. This is a name for a true Lamborghini. All signs point to the Temerario being the official name for the highly anticipated successor to the Huracan. The baby Lambo is ending its 10-year production run, and its replacement is set to be a revolutionary machine. What do we know about this new supercar so far? Get ready, because it's a huge shift. The glorious, naturally aspirated V10 engine is gone. In its place, Lamborghini is dropping in a plug-in hybrid powertrain. But don't worry, this isn't just about efficiency. The heart of the Temerario is expected to be a twin-turbo V8 engine. And here's the craziest part. Rumors suggest it could rev all the way to a screaming 10,000 RPM. That's motorcycle territory, promising a soundtrack that will be absolutely epic, even with the turbos. This new hybrid system will be paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, likely the same one found in its big brother, the Revuelto. While it will share a platform with the Revuelto, the Temerario will be its own unique beast, setting a new benchmark for performance in its class. Lamborghini is expected to officially unveil the Huracan Successor, the Temerario, later this year in 2024. So the stage is set. A new name, a new engine, and a new era for Lamborghini. Temerario, the daring one. It sounds like Lamborghini is ready to be reckless once again. What do you think of the name? Is Temerario a worthy successor to the Huracan? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest supercar news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.